Minoxidil plus Derma roller equals beard gains. I'm the same as you. I always wanted to see if I could grow a beard. Like, look at this, how cool. And I actually tried to grow my own beard about 1.5 years ago. And I grew it from this to this. Pretty impressive, huh? But not that impressive, given that I didn't follow the specific guidelines. That Victor. But now I got all the juicy secrets for how to grow a beard, and I will apply this for 3 months and see how far I can get. So for this, we're gonna need a Derma roller and Minoxidil, and 3 months. The Derma roller you're gonna want to use every second day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, over and over again. And the Minoxidil you're gonna apply twice daily, in the morning and at night. However, on every alternate day when you apply your Derma roller, you wanna use your Derma roller at nighttime, so you apply Minoxidil in the morning and you skip Minoxidil on that second day when you apply your Derma roller. So on the Monday, apply Minoxidil in the morning and then you Derma roll at night. You don't put on any Minoxidil. On the Tuesday, you apply Minoxidil in the morning, Minoxidil at night, no Derma rolling. Wednesday, Minoxidil in the morning and Derma rolling at night, no Minoxidil. And you just go like that. Because the skin in your face can become quite sensitive to the Minoxidil, and also because you're Derma rolling such a large area, you're gonna wanna wait maybe 12 hours. So you can do that. So how do you use one of these? What you wanna do is you wanna go in 4 different directions. You wanna go vertically, horizontally, diagonally one way, diagonally the other way. So how this works is you wanna start from the side here, by the sideburns. You wanna go down. So in a vertical motion, you wanna go 20 down. Move a little bit to the side, 20 down, a little bit to the side, 20 down, a little bit to the side, 20 down. And when you've done that, you want to move to the other side, 20 down, a little bit to the side, 20 down, a little bit to the side, 20 down, to the side, 20 down, side, 20 down. So that's the vertical direction. Then you want to move to the horizontal. So then you go here to the corner of your cheekbones. You want to go here, 20, up a little bit, 20, up a little bit, 20, up a little bit, 20, 20, 20. And you kind of want to make out how the beard is going to go. You don't have to cover it much further, but about here, since that's where you want your beard to grow. And then you move on to the other side, do the same thing. Then we're moving on to the diagonal direction. Same there, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Same on this side, and then we're doing the opposite diagonal direction, and we're going 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, here 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Done. Then you can move on to here, the same thing. You want to do vertical, horizontal, diagonal, diagonal. This is going to take time, no doubt, but it is the most effective way. And when it comes to the Minoxidil, what you want to do is you want to get out 1 milliliter. I'm not going to apply it to my face right now because I've already done that today. And I woke up quite early in the morning and there was no sunlight, so I couldn't record. But you drop there, 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 there. Oh, got a little bit. And then just massage it in. Under here and under here as well. But you want to make sure you get all the Minoxidil that is recommended. So 1 milliliter across your face. I apply it on my hair here as well because it's a little bit thinner here. Although this covers quite good. I'm hoping that within 3 months I'm gonna have quite a solid beard. And at the point of recording this, I'm currently on day 2 of my beard growth. I quit shaving 2 days ago and this is the result so far, so it's not very long at all, not very impressive, but I'm hoping with the months it's gonna grow better. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know as well that I'm doing daily updates on YouTube and TikTok. If you want to join the daily updates, that would be awesome. The negatives with this beard growth regimen using Derma roller and Minoxidil is that you can experience a lot of extra hair. I'm currently using finasteride, Minoxidil and Derma rolling for combating male pattern baldness. So I apply Minoxidil up in my temples and in my crown area, as well as I Derma roll once a week for that. When I applied extra Minoxidil on my face, so basically doubling the dose, applying 1 milliliter on top and 1 milliliter around here, it actually promotes a lot of extra hair growth in the eyebrows and around here as well, which doesn't bother me personally, but it's something you should know. It also made my hairline come a little bit forward, so the bits here on the side came forward a little bit. Not necessarily a bad thing. Just know that once you discontinue, it'll be gone, but the facial hair will most likely stay. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm only 2 days in, but I can't wait for the 1 month update. And yeah, if you want to check out my journey, check my shorts on YouTube or my TikTok updates. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it somewhat useful, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.